Our band's name is Yawning.
Ready whenever you are. Just say your name
Who
and
am I?
the band.
My name is Josh, and I'm with the band known as Yawning.
How long did it take you to grow your mustache?
I've been growing this bad boy for like, since late October, I would say. I had to like manage it now. Now it's like just like managing growth. Before it was like growing. Now it's like managing growth.
Yeah, I like psychedelic ambient post rock.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I'd just be like alive forever on this island by myself, and then I get 5 things.
Yes.
I guess like maybe some ducks just to hang out with. I would just have some really nice art, some Frank Stella, Helen Frankenthaler. That'd be cool. Just look at that.
Describe yourself in 5 words.
Was that enough words?